about it.
It's the Goblin 700 made by Saab.
Yeah.
It's a 12 cell.
You would put these servos on an airplane.
12 cell heli, two 2.6 S packs, 5,000 milliamps
Hard to
each.
control. You'd be dialing so much expo in.
Basically, yeah, it's just the latest heli that's come out, made by Saab, and it's really beefy train, which is what its claim to fame is. And
wow,
runs 2 belts. It's super quiet.
That is one thick gear.
It's blistering fast.
What's his top speed? I'm guessing around 85 miles an hour.
The top speed somebody clocked on it was 140
miles per hour.
Yeah.
Wow. With the heli.
But they geared up the heli for it. Yeah.
Changed the spur gear or something.
Yeah. But I'm not really into really fast, big sky flying. I'm more of
aerobatic.
More 3Ds. Yeah.
Okay. Well, thanks for sharing.
Yeah.
When you fly a 3D, you don't fly lots of sky. Helicopters can stay in one spot, move around.
My battery's dying here. Oh my God. That thing is insane.